Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be showing you and breaking down my little cinema documentary rig I've made around my Sony A7. I'm going to be using this on a documentary I'm filming this summer. It's about something me and my friends are doing. It's really awesome. If you want to get like an idea of what it is, it's inspired by the documentary by Marcus John's Yard Boys. It isn't train hopping though, so don't get any ideas. I'm not doing that. It's just something else sort of similar, but I'm going to be filming it in that style, and I'm really excited to use this, and I'm really excited to film my first full documentary. I'm hoping to get it around 40 minutes to an hour, but I'll be fine with anything I get, honestly. So yeah, let's break this thing down. So the body of the camera is the Sony A7, you know, my main workhorse beast of a camera for how old it is. Don't really see a need to change that. The lens I'm using right now is the 14mm 2.8, but I also will use this 24-70 f4 and this 50 1.8. Yeah, that's the body. Let's get into the cage. So the cage is the niceyrig A9 A7. It fits all models of the A Alpha series, other than the smaller A6000s. Great cage. I bought this for $50 Prime on Amazon. 2-day shipping, awesome, very nice. Has a RE rosette mount too, which is really great. That's the cage. So yeah, that's on there good. And I also forgot to mention, I put on an extra hot shoe mount, which is just a smallrig hot shoe, singular one you can buy separately. Now let's get into this, the handle. This is the niceyrig wooden handle grip for the rosette airy mount. Really great, 80 bucks compared to the $100 smallrig version. And you just screw that in. And yeah, you screw that in. Great little mount. You can hold it way tighter now. I'm not scared of dropping it or anything. Now the top handle. This is the smallrig top handle, cheese grade, open cold shoe. I got the smallrig version just because it was a lot smaller. The niceyrig is about this long and like this fat, and it's just like, nah, I'm not getting that. I'm going for as like pretty much as slim as I can get, and I'm just gonna screw this in. So once you have those in, it starts to actually look like a setup, and with the top handle, everything just looks cooler, and it's really nice. It's in there tight, it's not going to come out. Now let's put the quick release. So these quick release plates are a knockoff Manfrotto, and they're really good. They're 10 bucks each. I bought 2 of them, and I use one for my gimbal and my tripod, and it is the VTech Black 323 quick release plate. Just really great. And I'm going to screw that into the bottom, as tight as it can go. Now you got a nice quick release so you can snap on and off of a tripod if you need it. Now the microphone. The microphone I've used for about 2 years, actually a year and a half, is the Comica CVM V30. Really great. Has a low cut. What I like about this is it has a low cut filter and a plus 10 decibel setting. So if you need to get something from farther away or just more volume, it's really great. The preamp in this is pretty good though, so there's not really much hissing going on, so I don't use the plus 10 that much, but it's just nice to have. And I screw that onto the built-in hot shoe that comes in the cage. Wrap that around. There you go. And that is my minimal documentary setup that I'm going to be using this summer. So for a long time I was pondering getting a V-mount battery pack because the battery lives of this camera aren't very good, but the more I come to think of it, the more I bought. I was buying it piece by piece just to make sure I wanted every piece, and this is a really good weight, and I think with any more it'd just be too much. And the battery compartment is super easily accessible, and I'll always have batteries on me anyways. So if I need to replace something real quick, I'll always have them on me. I can just replace it. I know it is a little more pain in the butt, but you know, it's whatever. So yeah, that's my setup. That's what I'm using, and this is my minimalist rig. Alright, and that is my rig. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. All the links to these parts will be in the description. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool. Check out some of our other content, and see you next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side, watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home ride.